Hi everyone, my name is Lauren and today I'm going to be introducing our PLJW 120 model. In particular, I'm going to be talking about our 60-inch model. We do carry it in sizes 30 through 60 inch. So this is the first thing that you should see upon opening the box. First, you're gonna see some foam here at the top. You're gonna wanna take that out. Then we've also got foam surrounding the entire range hood. So we've got it on each side, the top, and then the bottom as well. Upon sliding the side out, you're gonna find your power cord right here. Make sure not to throw that away. And then you've also got your installation manual, and we've got some hardware in here as well. And then in the bottom right here where this piece of foam is, once you take this out, you're gonna find your baffle filters. So just be really careful with that when you take this piece of foam out. Okay, so this is what the range hood will look like when you take it out of the box, and then you can go ahead and remove this protective cloth. This model comes with 2 dual blowers totaling up to 1800 CFM, which is also great for heavy or greasy style cooking. We've also got 4 energy efficient LED lights, which is great because it'll light up your entire cooktop. On the front of the range hood, we've got our touch panel right here. This is where you'll control the lights, the blowers, and then the auto time shut off for this range hood as well. On the top here, we've got our outlets. Each one will be for each dual blower. These are both 8-inch round outlets, so make sure you have the correct ductwork to hook up to this hood. On the front here, we've got this slanted front, which we found has been great for minimalistic homes. It looks very well, it applies very well in those style of homes. So this is the back of the range hood right here. On the top and near the back, you can find the outlet where you can plug the power cord into. And then notice these holes right here, these are gonna be used for mounting. So over here, we've got our mounting bracket that will also come in the range hood box. So this piece will be mounted to the hood, and these holes in the bracket, they align with these holes. So you'll mount this to the hood. And then this mounting bracket, the second piece, this piece you will mount to the wall. And then once you have both of those mounted, you're gonna hang the hood, you'll hang this piece, slide it into this piece. So they just slide into place. Upon opening the baffle filter box, the first thing that you'll find is the grease tray. And this tray sits in the back of the range hood at the bottom. So we're just gonna slide this in. Just like that. And then after this has been placed in is when you can insert the baffle filters. All right, so I've already inserted the first 3 baffle filters. I'm just gonna show you how to do the last one so you can get a feel for it. So you slide the back end in first, and up, and then down. And it clicks right into place. So all in all, this is what you should expect to receive when you get your 120/60 T2 model. If you have any questions or concerns, give us a call at our customer support line. It's listed to the side. And if you have any comments, please comment below on any features or designs that you liked about this model. Thanks.